In this video, you'll learn how to convert number to word in Excel or how to convert number to text in Excel. For example, if you type 1000, so automatically it will give your text as 1000. So how we can do that? So let's go and insert a new Excel workbook. Make it zoom so that you can see the screen. In the screen, you need to press Alt plus F11 key from your keyboard. If you press, you will get a macro screen. Now here you have to click on Insert Module. I have already given the VBA Code link in the description below. So once you click that, you will get Convert Number to Word in Excel code. So in that you need to copy the entire code. You don't have to make any changes. You just copy the code and you need to paste here. So now I'm going to save this file. Once you save this file, make sure, let's say I'm going to save in my desktop, number to word, convert, or anything based on your requirement. But make sure in save as type you select as Excel macro enabled workbook and click on save. And you can close this dialog boxes, so we'll have only Excel normal screen. So in this screen, make sure you go to File, More, Option, and in your Trust Center settings, your macro setting, make sure your Enable All Macro is activated and click OK. So what will happen? The macro, whatever we are going to type, it will work. So now let's say I'm going to type 1000. Here I'm going to type spell number and select the number. So now you can see here it is converted to text. For example, if I type anything 100, 5000, 545, so anything I am going to type, it will automatically get converted to 150 to text. For example, this text you want to make it upper or lower, in that you can do that. For example, I want proper, PROPER, and select the text and convert. So it will be looking good. Or in this formula itself, you can type proper, open the bracket, go to the end and close the bracket, and it will work. So this is all about how you can convert number to word in Excel. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos, and please share with your friends and family so that they will also learn how to convert number to text. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.